This is an operation instruction video. Turn on the power switch. Turn the key. Wiper switch. Turn signal high, medium, and low speed up to reverse gear. Show you reversing image. Tap and switch. Brush down after opening and cleaning. Open the front brush and lower the front brush. Before using any waterway function, be sure to turn on the main switch of the pump. Turn on the sprinkler. Encounter bigger trash like bricks and leaves. Please press the storage pour pedal continuously with your left foot. 1. Click Cruise. High pressure gun. Extraction reel. Connect the high pressure gun. Installation angle nozzle. Use a high pressure gun. Please turn the switch to this gear. Turn on the main switch of the water pump. Turn on the pump switch. Adjust water pressure strength. Turn off the pump switch. Pull the trigger. Retract the high pressure gun after pressure relief. Prevent high pressure gun from storing water. Use rear sprinkler. Please turn the switch to this gear. Fire before use. Please turn the switch to this gear. 3. Festival shooting angle. Use anti-aircraft guns. Please turn the switch to this gear.